Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new child to your account on the CanKids application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now you should tap on the profile or the account icon in the upper right corner of the screen, and then tap on the new button indicated with this plus icon in a circle. So click on it and then swipe up to continue. So now you should type in the name of your child and then click on the next icon in the upper right corner of the screen. You should select the age of your child and select an avatar. You have a vast variety of options, as you can see. So click on the one that you prefer and click on the next icon in the upper right corner, thereby creating another account. So if you tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner, you are going to see that now there are 2 accounts added to this application. So you can use any of these, and you can also add new ones by repeating the same steps that I have just shown you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.